Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how to lock an application with passcode or Face ID. So the way how to do that, we need to open the shortcuts application, open your app library, and then you just need to type the shortcuts on the search button. And then whenever you got them, just go click it. So the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this bottom side and make sure that you're open this automation, because we will like start a new automations here. And now whenever you're already in automation, go click this plus button on the top right corner, and then you just need to like scrolling down until you found app, and then you just need to go click it. And now since we want to lock the application whenever the application is open, so you just need to pick is open rather than is closed. And please change run after confirmations become run immediately, so that we can like lock immediately the application whenever it's open. So the next thing we need to do is just go choosing the application. Let's say here I will let you lock my calculator or calendar. Let's say calendar here, okay, and then we just need to go click done. And the next thing we need to do, go click next, and you just need to go click this get started, and you just need to go click please new playing automation, go click add action and type lock screen. And whenever you got it, you just need to go click it, and you just need to go click done. And now let's just check the result. Let's just try to open the calendar here. Whenever we open it, it's already locked it. So you need to give your face to open the calendar. So that is the way how to lock application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.